Dude, journal time! So, here I am, living the dream at this sweet resort hotel. Every day starts with a sunrise, with fresh juice by the pool. I'm all about that life, you know? First up, I get to lounge by the pool, catching some rays and chilling with the guests. They grab me for a dip, dry off after a swim sesh, or just lounge and soak up the sun. It's all good vibes, man. Gotta keep them feeling comfy and stoked. Then comes the action. I'm off to the beach. Sand between my fibers, salty air in the breeze. I'm there for the beach bums, the kids building sand castles, and even those brave souls who dare to take on the waves. They always come back to me, sand in their hair, smiles on their faces. After a long day under the sun, it's time for a spin in the washer, bro. I get taken to a rad laundry to cleanse the day's adventures away and get ready to do it all over again, as soft, clean, and reusable tomorrow is the best. So here's to another day in paradise, journal. Catch you on the flip side, and remember, stay beachy, stay cool. Peace out.
The commercial laundry industry plays a crucial role in the hospitality sector, ensuring that businesses like hotels, resorts, and spas provide guests with the highest standards of cleanliness and comfort. By supplying fresh, clean, and crisp linens, alongside spotless uniforms, laundry services enhance guest experiences by contributing to the establishment's reputation for quality and attention to detail. We invite you to celebrate International Linen and Uniform Service Day on August 9th in honor of the hard work and dedication of essential personnel in laundry who support travel and tourism around the world.